Hello, in this one, let's take a look at finding the derivative of f of x equals x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. So the first stage is to rewrite this so that you can see which rule in terms of derivatives is applicable. So let's do that now. I'm going to say that this is the same as f of x equals x really to the first, keep that in mind. Then after that it's plus x to the negative first. And lastly it's plus x to the negative second. So I'm just rewriting using negative exponents. With that in place, what you can do is just differentiate now term by term by term. So that, in other words, apply the power rule. So when I do that, it's going to look like the following, okay? It's going to be f prime of x is equal to, now for the first one where it's x to the first, that basically means you bring the 1 down and you subtract 1 from the exponent. I'm going to be a little bit formal here. So it's going to be 1 times x to the 1 minus 1, like that, if you want to be really formal, okay? For the next one, you're going to bring the negative 1 down, and then you're going to do negative 1 minus 1, subtract 1 in the exponent. For the last term, same principle. So there, you're going to bring down the negative 2, and you're going to do x to the negative 2 minus 1. So this is the process of applying the power rule in detail. At this point, let's just clean this up a little bit. That's about it, okay? So for the first one, you have 1 times x to the 0, essentially. X to the 0 is 1. So in other words, this first term, 1 times x to the 1 minus 1, just becomes 1 in this position for that reason. For the next one, I'm going to have minus 1x to the negative second. For the next term, it's going to be, let's see, negative 2 here. So negative 2 and the next to the negative third. And often the standard approach is to rewrite without negative exponents. So let's finish up with that last step, okay? So no negative exponents. And the last final answer, so to speak, is going to be 1 minus 1, say, divided by x to the positive second. Notice that when you put in the bottom, negative exponent becomes a positive exponent. And it's going to be minus, and then let's see here, 2 over x to the positive third. And you can think of this basically as the answer. And this is all of the work from top to bottom. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another one.